What's up guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can delete YouTube search history from your mobile phone. So what you'll have to do is go to the YouTube app, the video sharing company. So we want to go to the history and you're going to see all the videos that you have been watching from since you started YouTube. So what you'll do is go to the bottom right of your screen where it has been written you, and you're going to see the history. So under the history you're going to view all. And guys, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on this video so that you may be updated. So we are going to select any video that you want to remove from the history. So there are three buttons, three dots just at the side of the video. You're just going to click on the three dots and you're going to click on remove watch from watch history. So after clicking remove from watch history, you can see that all the views of the videos were removed. So that's how you delete a YouTube video from your history. I can delete another one for you to see. Remove from watch history and it will be done. Thank you for watching.